Hello everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Komamita Chahni. Today I will present about my result with the title Analysis the Effect COVID-19 Pandemic on Buleleng Regency Tax Revenue in 2020. Okay, to start this discussion of this research, it's better if we know in advance what is the COVID-19 pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic is an event that spread the 2019 coronavirus disease around the world for all countries. This disease is caused by a new type of corona, which named SARS-CoV-2. The COVID-19 outbreak was first detected in the city of Wuhan, Hubei, China on December 31, 2019 and declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization on March 11, 2022. Okay, next, in addition, there is an explanation of regional income tax. Local tax, regional income derived from tax by people, person or entity that is cursed under the law, which does not get a direct imbalance and is used for regional purpose for the greatest property of the people. A mandatory contribution to the region payable, law number 28 of 2009. The extraordinary spread of the COVID-19 virus, marked by the number of cases and the increasing number of deaths in various countries, certainly provides impact on various aspects of life such as political, economic, cultural defense, and security, as well as the welfare of the people in Indonesia. Aspect the most is the economic because of the closure of place shopping, companies as in tourism to entertainment and increasing unemployment because many works have to be laid off because of the company not operating. The matter certainly caused a decrease in income for the people of Indonesia and also have an effect on local tax revenue. Based on the data I obtained of the internet, namely of the website of the Buleleng Regency Financial Agency, it can be seen in the table on the screen of the Buleleng Regency Regional Tax Revenue section in 2019 before the pandemic with 2020 during the pandemic. In 2019, the regional tax budget amount to 174.165 billion and the realization to tax amount to 155.76 billion with percentage from the realization of regional tax revenue of Buleleng Regency of 89.18%. In 2020, Buleleng Regency regional tax budget increased compared to 2019 with amount to 181.40 billion, but the realization of Buleleng Regency regional tax decreased by 118.186 billion with percentage from the realization of regional tax revenue of Buleleng Regency 65.15%. Okay, conclusion of the article entitled Analysis the Effect COVID-19 Pandemic on Buleleng Regency Tax Revenue in 2020. It can be concluded that the COVID-19 pandemic has had a significant impact on very significant, especially in the economic sector and also tourism, with impact of people's income. Okay, I think this enough from me about my research. Thank you for watching and see you.